Hey guys, I just got these cheap zipper pulls from Amazon because one of the ones on my outdoor couch cushion actually just broke. So I got these things. They're not the expensive fix and zip ones, but they seem like they're gonna work. They're made of plastic, and I'll put the link in the video. And they're not too hard to open. You just gotta get it like right, and then just okay, we're gonna try this again. It's not real hard, but there's this little like clip thing that has to come out. So if you kind of pull up on that this way while you've got your fingers in there, or you know what, you can just do that and hope the thing don't break like it just did. Oops. Well, all right, I got a stance here now. I got a stance. I got this like that, and then I'm gonna use my thumb, this to pull down on this while I use my other finger to open it. Yay! I'm not gonna try that again, but I got it open without breaking the thingy. Okay, so I did remove the old zipper pull that was on there, and I did actually remove this again just to realign it better because I noticed it was bunched up near the end here. They weren't even. So now I'm going to very carefully zip it closed. And that's good enough for me. I'm not going to complain because it is most definitely better than trying to sew on a zipper, which I have never done. And I got like a 24 pack of these things in a few different sizes for like $8. So I say great success. Hope this helps anybody who is going through the same ordeal and does not want to either pay anybody to replace a zipper or spend more money on the other expensive zipper pulls, or even try to buy a new cushion. Anyway, thanks for watching.